Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen Alford from Alford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Christmas is just around the corner, and today's date is the 12th of December 2022. What have we got here today? It's simple. We're going to look at how we can take some of our cryptocurrency coins that we have probably mined and continue to work generating more values. And what we're going to use here today is my wallet. We're going to go into our wallet and transfer some of the funds, small funds that I have just hanging around in my wallet that I'm going to convert into something that is showing to be profitable contract. So we're going to open up my wallet just to give you, these are just some of the small wallets that I have, um, small coins in the small wallet. Now the purpose is I'm going to transfer some of these into my APE coin only because of this fact. APE coin is showing some dramatic returns if I was to open up a earn contract at 120 days. Um, Basically, that's how simple it is. The company offers it, or the wallet, or the exchange provides it. We're just going to take advantage of it. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is. Okay, so let's go back in the beginning. My wallet, I got these leftover sort of coins because I've been trading and been transferring them from my mining app. And these are small little values that needs to be accumulated into one and continue to work on one of the earns program that the app or the exchange will have. So let's go and do some converting first. We're going to transfer or convert. I've got some Doge here, as you can see, in the $8 worth. I've got $10 worth of AXS, and this $10 came through this process that I'm going to show you in a moment. And I get these profits every day from these simple methods how to grow your coin. Now let's go back, I guess, and let's go through the transfer process from Dogecoin into my ape. Only because, as I said earlier, APE coin has been provided with a company that we can earn 79.9, say 80% growth on our coins. So let's go through the process of transfer. It's a little bit of a, because my screen can't hold everything, I'm going to bring it over because convert is all the way down the bottom here. Okay, where are we? Go back up here to look for Dosh. There's Doshi going over there. $8.81. We're going to convert that into APE. Click on convert. And all it's going to do is allow you to shift your coins from Dogecoin into APE and continue the process. Bring up APE. These are some of the simple methods to, as I said, to grow your coin, which is important, very, very important. Don't leave your coin just sitting in a wallet or a exchange doing nothing. They should be growing for you. And these are, again, just one of the systems that's available out there. Okay, I'm going to convert all of that into APE. Let's go through the conversion. And this is what's going to give me. Convert that into APE, sorry. That's all done. Now if we go back into our wallet again, we'll see it. It's been converted into APE. I just want to pile up all my small coins into APE and just, shove it into that 128 days locked and earn nearly 80% of profits from it. Okay, now that's been, my Dosh has been converted into APE, and I'm going to do the same with AXS, transfer all of it into APE, and of course I'm going to transfer the whole lot into a locking system to earn me 80% pure profit. Very simple, very, very simple. Thank God for these systems. Okay, where are we? AXX, yeah, there we go. Convert into APE. Once you compile it all to the coin that you want, And it's just simple fact. Then they will go back to that program to transfer it into the contract, 120-day locked contract, all of it. Okay. Now this amount I got from AXS, sorry, AXS. I got it from all these processes I'm showing now. They're just profits that I'm collecting, and I'm not doing anything. I'm just shifting coins from one section of the exchange to another, and voila, money in my bank in 120 days. I mean, it's better than just sitting there earning nothing while my mining app continue to mine a lot more coins. Okay, let me see where we. Oh, hold on, it's taking me where we're supposed to be. These are some of the areas that I've locked, not locked. This is the flexible area. This one here, where I have put some of my large coin in it and earning me 3.8% flexibility on the flexibility plan. However, the one I'm going to look for is the locked one. It's going to lock me up for 120 days. And hold on, I've got to go searching for it. Wait for me. Bear with me. Otherwise, I'll just go shortcut, I think. Oh, here we go. Okay. And bring that up. And I think, there we go. Under new listing, this is Binance exchange, of course. Now, if you go into what it's called earn, easy earn, then you look for the new listing. In this particular case, the new listing is giving you this 120 days, 80%. I'm going to lock some of my coins in there. And it's a simple process, as I said. You don't have to lock everything up. I'm just locking mine, so instead of the coins just sitting there, make some money out of it. Now, max means you're going to invest everything that you got in APE. That's how much it is. Now, go through the process. Yes, I agree. And confirm. And these coins are my small amount of coins compiled into APE. And it's locked. Now, let me show you where locked is. In 120 days, that particular one is going to where we go. It's going to mature and pay us a simple 80%. I mean, it's pretty simple. Now that is sitting there, just like these other one I showed you where I got some of those profits from, AXS, and it's all done in that system. You just saw me. Once it's locked, you just leave it there and you go make more money. I mean, makes more coin to put into a system. And the whole idea of this concept is, instead of your coins just sitting in any wallet or any what you call it, exchange, get your coins to work. Don't just sit them there. Get them into work straight away. And as you can see, I've just transferred some of my small amount of coins into one lot of coins and transferred to the highest earning coin, which is APE, of course. Now, I've still got some other amount of coins here that I need to sort of transfer, because they're only small amount, like leftover changes that I need to transfer and put them into a system. Like this one here, for example, 80%. I mean, you can't say no to it. You just can't say no to 80% of profit in 120 days. I mean, you're just leaving it there, let it grow, and go look for some more other opportunities. But again, as I said, these things are pretty simple. Now, where are we? Locked. Let's refresh that, because that's the old one. Now, it should bring up our APE contract that we just put through just a moment ago on the top of it. And I'll show you something else also that's quite interesting with some of these contracts. Now, locked. Here we go. APE now is registered in my my locked investment program. Now, this area here, you can opt to get these systems just continue 120 days expire and automatically auto subscribe a next round. it's so simple. Your money is just growing all the time, and that's the beauty of this system. And I can't encourage it strongly enough, to use it. Use these systems and grow your coins. Like I said, instead of just leaving it there in your wallet or your exchange, get them to work so you're growing your net wealth in the future. And of course, you're preparing for the market to return, the cryptocurrency market, I was saying, because the prices of cryptocurrencies are down, as we have seen before. Now, let me give you this is APE. That's let me give you again the price of, say, Bitcoin, for example, to show you the long-term prospects of what can happen in the future, what will happen. Of course, I'm not going to say what can. It's down $16,000 from $64,000 only about a couple of years ago, I think. Now, if we look at the chart, will give us some more indication where the crypto coins or the crypto market can return in the near future. Now, if you look at the chart here, 2022, that's where it is today, Bitcoin. And if it goes up here in the future, up here somewhere, then you'll be laughing to the bank. And that's the whole idea. You're grabbing them as cheap as possible, as many as possible down here, because sooner or later this market will rebound. And that's what you're preparing for. And that's why I'm moving or mining a lot of my coins and just continue to grow. I'm not interested in selling any of my coin. I'm just going to hold on to them and build a portfolio. Portfolio means this. Let me explain to you portfolio. I've already got a small portfolio, but that's a portfolio of APE, a few of AXX, Shiba, and Dosh, I think you saw earlier. There we go, Dosh there. But I got other coins also, because some of my coins are sent back to mining to speed up the hash power or fuel up those mining processes. So entirely up to you how you can manage your coins so that make sure that every single one are working their butts off, creating more value for you. I hope that I have explained a little bit. But if you don't understand what I'm, mumbling about here, you already got to find me on, say, Facebook under Stephen R. Ford, the man in the blue suit, and say, Steve, teach me some of these ideas of yours. They're pretty simple. There's no risks because the company, like Binance, are well geared to cope with these, and what they offer, just take advantage of it. I mean, it's so simple. You can easily, if you have the money, you can easily, down below of this video, YouTube video, make sure to subscribe to my account and like my account. And there should be a link to join Binance. Now, you need a cryptocurrency bank to help you transfer some money from your local bank from normal currency into crypto. And Binance is one of those great companies, and I do highly recommend them. And there should be a link to click from at the bottom of my video here. Join, and this is where you transfer your money from your normal bank into crypto Binance to buy some crypto coins for you, and just put them through those processes I've shown you. You can just say $500, $1,000 to buy whatever coins you wish, then swap it to these processes I've just shown you. You get them from your wallet, going to earn products. This is like short-term investments. Bring up the earn. Then you can do some bit of researching which one's providing you the best result once you lock your coins up. They're only short terms. It's not long term. It's not going to break your bank, but at least it's going to save your coin and continue to grow. Today, unfortunately, things are going slow. But as we wait for the machine to load up, I'm sure it will bring up. Here we go. Now, in this category, it will show you the different areas we can look for a good contract, a contract that you wish. Oh, yeah, I'll put some in there. Available assets. For example, there's AXX 52.90%, and these are pretty good, returns. I mean, they're not shabby, but they are good returns. Now, the best for beginners, it's very similar, but the returns is not as great. It's not as enticing. I wouldn't even bother. Personally, I wouldn't. So I'm looking for the highest return, And of course, this is one area that I found. It was the new listing. APE is a new listing, and it's giving us that phenomenal return. You don't have to lock yours for 120 days. I have, and as you can see, 60 days at 59, or say 56%. 30 days lock, 46%. If you only want it for 10 days, you can lock it down to say about 33%. Now, those are options that you can certainly take advantage of, and just come in and buy some coins and transfer it into APE, or just buy some APE and put it straight away into this locking system, and don't think about it. Come back later on, save 10 days or 30 days or 60 days, and collect your profits and move it elsewhere wherever you want to. But of course, don't forget to buy. Let me show you a little bit. Don't forget to buy whatever coins at a certain time. Let me show it to you. Bring the chart down. Give me a chart, because charts are very similar. The principles are very similar. It doesn't change. Let me get myself out of that. And relatively, you want to be buying around at these points, because you're hoping to, a little bit of rebound, and you get a lot of return on that rebound. Rebound is where you want to make the money. It's down these valleys that you want to purchase things, anything, any assets. It's down the valleys. Hold on, that's not the best of charts to show you that process. Let me see if we can bring up another charts. It's not the best, but it will give an idea. Now, valleys are these areas down here. This is where you want to buy. Well, get off that silly thing. Anyway, if you can buy them a valley, down the valley, and you'll notice it grows a little bit. That's where you make a little bit of money on, and that's where capitalism comes in a bigger way. Now, let me move this over a bit more. It's not giving me the data that I want. Some charts that I want to give you. Oh, here we go. Now, this is the valley down the bottom here. And as you can see, as it rebounds up the top, that's where you make a substantial amount of money. So if you look on the opposite side here, see it's coming down. Well, in fact, you can sort of buying it now according just to this chart coming down. Then, of course, if it goes back up again, it's a lot of money. But I wouldn't be selling. Not at this point of time. This is the point of time I would recommend buy as many cryptocurrency that you can and just store them. When I say store them in a similar fashion that I have shown you. Lock them up in the process to earn a lot more. Like some of these beautiful contracts that the company like Binance has already provided, and take advantage of it. And you get these growth, and of course when Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency market sort of recover in the future, you'd certainly be a very, very, very happy investor. Anyway, Merry Christmas. If I don't see you again, if you don't come back to my video again, and have a happy new year. This is Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.